Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I want to tell you what an absolute pleasure it is to be here in beautiful Surrey, British Columbia, with my good friends at Discovery Community College. I want to tell you, these folks are making a difference, and I saw it firsthand tonight. I saw lives being transformed at their graduation. Gives me great pleasure to bring the next guest into the conversation. Why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
Sure. I'm Krista Livingston-Clark, and I'm the CEO of Discovery Community College. And what do? I do career-specific training. That's my passion, mad passion. Training that leads to jobs.
You must be proud tonight.
Oh, yes. Yes, we had a grad class of about 340 students. 230 made it. Many were working, couldn't make it, sent their regrets. But it was a fantastic celebration of their accomplishments.
Yeah, and the family that was in the room, unbelievable.
Oh, amazing. How many children were there cheering their parents on? It was exceptional.
Wasn't it exceptional? Mm-hmm. And your staff, tell me about them.
Oh, gosh. We have such an amazing, dedicated team of career professionals. You know, their passion to mentor the students, and for them, this night is everything. We do 2 grads a year in Surrey because of the amount of students we have in the Lower Mainland. So they just live for those moments. It's like Christmas, for sure.
Krista, there's one thing that I've come to realize about the career colleges, and certainly Discovery. They have a tendency to embrace the students at every part of their journey. From the minute they walk in, I've spoken to the people that are working the help desk, the front of the house, when people walk in, right to the back end where people are helping them get jobs, and all points in between. Mm-hmm. Where is the passion for that, for helping people every step of the way?
Well, I think, you know, our team has been curated over decades. We have many, many staff that have been with us longer than 10 years. Today we celebrated Naru Mann, who has been with us over 10 years. She's an amazing, passionate educator, and I think that's infectious. So, you know, those individuals continue to mentor the individuals coming up, and it is contagious. And then certainly a night like tonight really fuels the whole team. It gives them the full picture of up on that stage, there is the individuals that we were able to support. And you're right, they want to meet the students where they're at. When they start school and their journey through school, you know, there'll be ups and downs, there'll be, as you guys were talking to students earlier, there'll be, you know, some fears about the start of the journey. There's some fears about the end of the journey. And our team is just really dedicated to just having good, solid conversations with students and helping them through that next step. And our students help us through those next steps. You know, we become better operators and instructors and student service team and help desk every time we interact with a student. They teach us what's the best service, what's the best adaptation of who we can be for them. So it's very symbiotic.
Krista, I just spent the day at the Nanaimo campus.
Oh, awesome.
A full day of conversation around the nursing profession, around healthcare, around the success that you're having over there and bringing that now over here. Yeah. Talk to me about the importance of that.
Oh, well, practical nursing is an essential job in our healthcare system right now. I mean, it's more than a job, but it's an essential position. And we're very excited to be bringing it to the Lower Mainland. We've been training practical nursing for, I think, over 18 years now on the island. And Fraser Health Authority is an amazing organization, and they've said, hey, we need more spaces for nursing in the Lower Mainland, and we need particularly access to practical nursing. What access to practical nursing is it's the opportunity for an HCA who's worked for 2 years or 600 hours in the field as a healthcare assistant, primarily in long-term care. They get credit for what they've learned and what they've achieved at work, and they can enter into a bridging program for practical nursing. Instead of two full years, they do about 1.5 years. But it's an amazing, amazing program. So we're excited to be launching that in May. And our big focus is going to be how to help those HCAs ladder to the next level.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing.
Krista, not only do you have a wonderful leadership role here at Discovery and doing great things, but you also take a leadership role both in the province of British Columbia and on the national stage as well. Talk to me about the importance of career colleges. Talk to me about that.
Where to start? I think in its simplest form, we are a major contributor in workforce development. So workforce development, provincially and federally, is key to be able to support talent and students to gain the skills to enter the workforce at a specific level of skills, and in particular communities that have high need. It's exceptional. There isn't a faster route or a more supported route to workforce development than choosing a career college as your training institution or as your partner. Many employers and different industry associations partner with career colleges and create strategies to help fill those deficits, especially in rural, remote communities across the country. So workforce development, that is our passion.
Wow.
Yeah.
All of this stuff doesn't happen without solid leadership. And I know you're going to say, I've got a great team, they do it all, and you do.
It's true.
But you're a great leader too. So thanks for keeping a steady hand on the tiller. This was an amazing night.
Thank you.
And I hope you're very proud.
I am super proud. And thank you for being here.
Yeah.
Thank you.